we just want check with you how we can deal in trend 9 this report. Is there any specific session or discussion about this kind of general alarms?
No, the general alarm will not be discussed here. We will make a rule sheet and we will make one assumptions in the report, and then
Okay.
this will come with the assumptions here.
So there will be in the report there will be one section of assumption.
Yes, yes.
You will
Yes,
list all this kind of general alarms and general service, like for what kind of suppression is required. You will list it in that section, right?
Yeah, that will be part of report, and there will be general rule sheet will be there, and assumption will be there. Other than this alarm, what you have listed, and if you are getting other alarm like you have some fan trip, some cabinet fan trip, so this will come as a rule sheet and assumptions. So Guru, this is this will come in the report. So what I'm saying that if you have any additional requirement as per ADNOC, so let me know, because I'm used to this kind of things. And if there is some issue, so we can discuss it with MAS, with your management, and so that we can take the appropriate call. Are you getting me? Because the list what has been provided as alarm, then this list we are going to prioritize with a risk-based approach as per the alarm rationalization method, and other alarms which are not the part of this list will be coming as per the rule set. And if you see here also, they have given a rule based here. So other alarms which is not part of this rationalization over here, this rule set will be followed. Like FNG detector calibration, FNG
suppression. This rule set, if you are following, no need to put it to workshop. You can debate it.
No.
This, correct?
No.
See, we need.
See, so that way I'm saying that if you feel that still we are not following the terms of reference, so we can decide to partially discuss it outside before we carrying on, because I don't want to create any issue later on once we complete the alarm rationalization workshop. Are you getting me?
Yeah, correct. Our intention is the workshop should be very fruitful. Correct, no?
Yes. True.
Yeah. Otherwise, if after moving to the FAT, everybody will ask so many questions. What priority to be assigned? If you don't have, we don't cover in the report on the workshop. That otherwise this workshop is useless. Correct,
so what we can do? You don't let us temporarily. Hold this meeting, and we can have another meeting. You, me, Bhargav, and Dong, and your engineering manager. Because once we spend the time, then we should not feel that we did not do the useful workshop. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
So Bhargav, can you arrange one separate meeting? Bhargav.